It's good that you have availed yourself. Thank you for that. But Mamela, there's an instruction. Asiye ekhaya. Wathi ngiyacela yoshini. Oh, Enzo, uThupha utani yami nemiphanga. Wathi ngiyacela ngazi ngazi. Ngicame kakhuluma ngina. Wathi uThixo, Yoshua, engosulethe house. Imake lokukhuphela lifa. Imake lokuphathela into ezawugcina sowushiyeka abasana. Into ezawugcina sowungaphangeli, sowuphelelwa ngumsebenzi. Into ezawugcina ukhulisa abantwana bakho. Oyiseni parent, Yoshua, lidaluhe, lomkhulu, lekaki, ekasuki. You must meditate upon it day and night. What you are sure you are not a big challenges. If I put my name, I can't go. They know my papa. On Father, I'm a baby. Look at this. Oh my God. On Father. Amatini, okufunelela, okufikina, yelisu, lifusimulelo, lifusimulelo. Atatuwayo, he lifted me up from the traumatic, and he has planted my feet on the cliff highway. Washafel Pharaoh, and big Israel. What everyone can know, what the Pharaoh, Namafashula, Wanandelu Pharaoh, Namakashabo, Lulani, Namiguabo, that's not Jehovah, or Jehovah, Moses in your naked, Metapax, Lulani, Lafuleta, Lensitaiphone, Mashagalera, Amuriel, Mashagalera, Egoma, Egomenta, Amuriel, and the ass, the Baliano, Ogopasek, Eroache, Egomile. Asmengenya, Alamash, Alamash. Alamash. Ulamash. Ya. Ulamash. Ilamaya. Ilamash. Satana. Unama.